Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to cast a spinning reel. So let's get it working. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Okay, so I'm gonna get my spinning reel and set it up. Here's my spinning reel. Here, that's the spinning reel. So, doing it now. Going a little lower today. New from Easter. Let's do it, buddy. Of how to cast a bait caster. So it's easy. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna see that line. You're gonna just like pull it with your finger right there. You're gonna just open that and then throw it out there. Like that. So I'll be throwing it out there today. Let's see what we get. So whoa, codfish, big one, bigger. Get you. That's the fish I got. This is easy to get off. See the hook set right in there? What I'm gonna do is just back it up. The bar push back. Kinda have to wiggle it. And boom. Hook out a fish. I'm gonna put the hook right back in so I can use them as bait for catching a big giant catfish. So let's get it started. Hook on. We're ready to go. Stop for it. Is this 8 inches or 9? So let's get it started. Hey guys, I can't see. Sorry guys, but you can't really see. And as you throw it out, you're gonna, let's show you the bail. Again, you're gonna grab the line, open it, and as you throw it out, you're gonna let go of the line. And then when you get a bite, you're gonna close the bail and just let it bite, and then reel. Whoa, I got a bite. It's a big one. Look at it. Here's this big fish I got. I can leave a line that's taken. I know, you're so good. It's a big one. But I did catch it. Whoa. Whoa. Caught something. So guys, caught the same fish again. Same kind, but not the same one. Same size. Looks like a jet. That's bigger. A little bigger. Let's take the hook out of it. Just cast this thing way out there. Let's go, baby. Walk in. We hate these things. Always get in the way. I'm able to cast further. Whoa, yeah. You can see right on it. So, bye guys.